So guys, this is going to be a complete tutorial of negative keywords in Google Ads. We'll tell you from why negative keywords are so important in Google Ads to how to add negative keywords in your Google Ads campaign. So everything will gonna be covered in this particular video. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, this is the 76th video in this Google Ads course, and in this video we are going to basically talk about negative keywords, and this will be the full guide about negative keywords. And these are the things which you are going to learn. The first one is what are negative keywords. We'll tell you that what are negative keywords and why it is important, how they work, then benefits of negative keywords, benefits of using negative keywords basically, then types of negative keywords, how to identify negative keywords for your business in your niche, right? Because there are different types of negative keywords in every niche, every business, right? Then at the end, how to add negative keywords in your ad campaign, and this will be going to be totally practical, right? So let's go to the second slide and start one by one. So first of all, there's a question that what is negative keywords, right? What are negative keywords basically? You might be thinking that I have added keywords in my ad campaign, and now what is this negative keyword term, right? So let's read it once. This will basically clear the confusion of your mind. That negative keywords are used to prevent your ads from showing to people who are actively searching queries unrelated to the service or product you provide, right? In turn, giving your business the opportunity to reach the best potential audience whilst efficiently spending your campaign budget and avoiding wasting money on clicks that just won't convert, right? So negative keywords basically help you to optimize your campaign, and adding negative keywords in your campaign will help you to avoid getting irrelevant clicks which are not relevant to your ad or the services which you are providing. And ultimately this will help you to save money, and this will help you to get results in minimum budgets, right? And there's a quote that one key to highly targeted campaign is choosing what not to target. So this is basically a quote that if you know what not to target, then you'll be able to create highly targeted campaign, right? Now let's go to the third slide, which says how it works. You know what is negative keywords, we have to know that how this negative keywords thing works, right? Now let's read it and you'll be able to understand that how this negative keyword thing works. Now when selecting negative keywords for search campaigns, look for search terms that are similar to your keywords but might cater to customers searching for a different product, right? For example, if you are an optometrist who sells eyeglasses, you may want to add negative keyword for search term like wine glasses and drinking glasses. Because if you are an optometrist, you might have added eyeglasses keyword into your campaign. And when people will search wine glasses or drinking glasses, there is a high chance that Google will find it similar, that the glasses word, and will show your ad to that particular audience. And this will be totally waste of money. So in that case, you have to add wine glasses or drinking glasses kind of keywords into your campaign, right? So that's how it works. You have to find the relevant, or the similar search terms which your audience or which the general audience can search, but they're not looking for the product which you are selling, right? Now let's go to the fourth slide, and this is types of negative keywords. Basically, there are three types of negative keywords. The first one is negative broad match, negative phrase match, and the negative exact match. If you have learned about keywords, you definitely have learned about keywords, right? So in keywords we have only this broad match keyword, phrase match keyword, exact match keyword, and in these type of negative keywords we just have added negative thing, right? Because we are talking about negative keywords only right now. So I hope the types of negative keywords is clear to you. Let's go to the fifth slide. Now let's just talk about these types of negative keywords one by one. So the first one is negative broad match. Let's read it. That this type is default for your negative keywords. For negative broad match keywords, your ad won't show if the search contains all your negative keywords term. Even if the terms are in different order, your ad may still show if the search contains only same of your keyword terms. So this is basically the default keyword match type, negative keyword match type, which Google ad campaign automatically use if you add a negative keyword in your campaign, right? Broad match one. Now, running shoes, for example, you have added negative keyword which is running shoes in your campaign. Okay, so in this case, if the people, if the audience search blue tennis shoes, then your ad will be shown. Running shoe, again your ad will be shown. But if blue running shoes, your the particular keyword is here, people search blue running shoes, then your ad won't be shown. Or shoes running, then again your ad won't be shown, because all the keywords or all the words which you have added in the negative keyword are added here. Doesn't matter the order, the keyword or the word should be added in the search term, right? Also running shoes, again, then again your ad won't be shown. And here running just shoe, if the audience add s here, then again your ad won't be shown here. So if you choose broad match, then the exact negative keyword should be in the search term if you want to if you want that your ad won't be shown in that particular search term, right? So I hope you got the point in about negative broad match. Now let's talk about negative phrase match. Let's read it once, then I'll make you understand. For negative phrase match keywords, your ad won't show if the search contains the exact word term in the same order. In the previous one, the order was not compulsory, but here order is compulsory. The search term should into be the same order in order to work, right? Now, the search may include additional words, but the ad won't show as long as all the keyword terms are included in the search term in the same order. The search may also include additional character to a word, and ad will shown even when the rest of the keywords terms are included in the search in the same order. So basically, in phrase match, keywords should be in the same order in order to not to show your ads. Like for example, you have added a particular negative keyword which is running shoes, and here are the consequences which you are going to see. The first one is, if an audience search blue tennis shoes, your ads will be shown because there is only shoes, not running. Then here's another one, running shoe. It's running shoe, not shoes. That's why your ad again will be shown. Then here, blue running shoes. Now, as you can see, running shoes in the same order. And now your ad, and here shoes running. The order is not same. The keywords are same, but the order is not same. That's why your ad will be shown. But here, running shoes, the order exactly match the negative keyword, right? That's why your ad won't be shown. That's how this phrase match negative phrase match works, right? Now let's talk about the last one, which is negative exact match. Negative exact match keywords, your ad won't show if the search contains the exact keyword terms in the same order without extra words. Your ad may still show if the search contains the keyword term with additional words. So in exact match, your keyword should be in the exact match in the search term in order to don't show the particular ad, right? For example, again you have chosen the same keyword which is running shoes, and if the person searches blue tennis shoes, your ad will be shown. Running shoe, again your ad will be shown. Blue running shoes, here blue word is added, that's why it's not exact match. That's why your ad will be shown again. Shoes running, obviously here your ad won't be shown because it is an exact match, right? You have added running shoes and the person or the audience have searched exactly running shoes. That's why your ad will be won't show here. So that's how these three negative keyword match types works. The first one is broad match, then phrase, then exact. I hope you understood. Let's go to the 8th slide, and this is how to identify negative keywords. So here are few methods by which you can find out some negative keywords, right? The first one is during your initial keyword research. Well, generally people do a research for the keywords which they are going to use, but they should also research the negative keywords which they are going to use in future in their campaign, right? So you should do two types of keyword research. The first one is the keyword research which you are going to add in your campaign, and the second type of keyword research, basically the negative keyword research, which you are going to add in the negative list of your campaign, right? This will help you to optimize your timings and work efficiently. Then the second method is manual searches. When we go to Google and search any term, Google automatically suggests some keywords, and when we go to the end of the search page, we also able to see some LSI keywords and the keywords which are suggested by Google. So you can filter out some of the negative keywords from those searches as well. Then we have search terms. You can use this method when you have already run your campaign and your campaign is running, and you can go to search terms and you can find the search terms which people are searching and your ads are getting appeared. And if you find something irrelevant searches, you can add those searches into your negative keyword, right? Then the fourth option is using Google Keyword Planner. Obviously, we only use Keyword Planner to find the potential keywords, but we can use Google Keyword Planner to find the negative keywords as well, right? Popular negative keywords which people are searching. And at the end, negative keywords websites. So basically there are few websites which shows you negative keywords. Basically they show negative keywords from the niche, different kind of niche, and you can go to those websites and you can find some of the relevant or some of the potential negative keywords, right? So these are the basic 5 methods to identify negative keywords. Now let's go to the ninth slide, and this is how to evaluate negative keywords. Well guys, evaluating is one of the most important thing, because if you don't evaluate that this keyword is really a negative keyword for me or not, then you might messed up with your Google ad campaign. So you have to evaluate properly that this particular keyword is really negative keyword for me. Let's read it once, then we'll make you more understand about this evaluating process, right? You can evaluate negative keywords based on relevance and potential waste of clicks. As these keywords are meant to exclude search terms from the ad campaign, you will need to evaluate them for different scenarios. You can estimate whether a keyword is negative or not by asking the following questions. So you can ask these questions yourself while creating your campaign, that this particular keyword is negative for me or positive for me, right? So the first question is, would a person searching this, that basically we are talking about a keyword, right? So would a person searching this click on my ad? So if you are adding keyword into your campaign, so would a person searching this particular keyword will click on my ad? You have to ask this question from yourself. Then definitely you will get a clear idea that what you should do now. Then the second question is, what would happen after the person searching this click on my ad? So if the person searches that particular keyword and if he clicks on my ad, then what will happen? That particular searcher will convert or will go away or what? You have to determine it, right? Then the third question is, does this search intent match my target audience? Basically what happens, sometimes the intent can match, but maybe that particular audience will be not your target audience who will buy your product or service, right? They maybe they just want to know about the things, know about the service, or know about the process, right? But they don't want to buy. So you have to find out that does this search intent match my keyword, target audience, right? Who want to buy or who want to subscribe my service, anything for your target audience, right? Can I expect conversion from this search audience? Again, you have to ask this question from yourself, that if a person search this particular term, so can I expect a conversion? That doesn't matter that what is the conversion, that the conversion might be a sale, the conversion might be a lead, the conversion might be a subscription, anything, but can I expect a conversion from this search audience? Then the last question is, which you have to ask from yourself, that what will I miss if the person searching for this does not see my ad? So if a person is searching an X keyword, so what will you miss if that particular person doesn't see your ad, right? Will you miss a conversion? Will you miss a lead? You have to ask this question from yourself. So these questions will help you assess the potential value of each search term and identify negative keywords. So that's how you can evaluate negative keywords and find out the best negative keywords that will help you to optimize your campaign and will help you to bring results in minimum budget, right? Now let's talk about the 10th slide, and here's the 10th slide about benefits of using keywords. So you already know about the benefits, but let me tell you one by one. Improve relevance of your ad group. Obviously, if you add negative keywords into your ad group, definitely it improves the relevancy of your ad group. Then increase conversion. Definitely I have already been talking about that. It will help you to increase the conversion, right? Then improve CTR, click through rate. Definitely it will help you to improve the CTR. Attract more relevant users to your site. Obviously, save your ad budget. This one is one of the most prominent benefit, that adding negative keywords will help you to save your ad budget. Then improve ROS, return on ad spend. So this was the benefits. Now let's go to the last slide, and this is now we'll practically learn how to add negative keywords in our ad campaign. So let's just rapidly go to our ad campaign and let's see how we can add negative keywords into our ad campaign or ad group. So guys, right now I'm in my Google Ads account, one of my Google Ads account, and there are multiple ways to add negative keywords into your campaigns. So let's go through the first one. For that, you have to go to tools and settings, click on this, and here is the negative keyword list. Click on this, and as you can see right now we don't have any negative keyword list. You just have to click on this plus icon. You can add the name of your negative keyword list. I can add demo negative keywords like this. Then here I can add demo negative keyword. Here I can add the negative keywords which I want to add. For example, I add free, demo, PDF, and these are the keywords in the scenario that I am selling a digital marketing course or digital marketing service. All right, and I don't want to show demo, or I don't want to serve free, right? That's why I've added these keywords. Basically these are examples just to show you how you can add. And once you click on save, this will create a list. This is a as you can see, 3 keywords, and this is a list, but this keyword list is not added in any campaign right now. Now let's go to the Google Ads dashboard, and let me show you the another method. That was just to create a negative keyword list, and now I'll be showing how you can add that particular list in any campaign or ad group. Go to negative keywords in the keyword section, and here you have to again click on this press negative keywords plus icon. Now you got 2 options. The first one is add negative keywords or create new list. So you can create a new list from here as well. Otherwise you can use negative keyword list. If you have any negative keyword list, you can use that particular list. You just have to select this option, select the campaign, and here you'll be able to see the list as you can see here. Now if you click on this add negative keywords or create list, you can create a list again here. Otherwise you can select that where you want to add the negative keywords, in campaign level or just in one particular ad group, right? Because you might running 3 or 4 type of ads in a particular campaign, and the keywords also be different according to those particular ads, right? So you have to find out that your where you want to add the negative keywords, in campaign or in ad group. Now for example, if I create a list for a campaign level, then select, after adding that where you want to add the keywords, the negative keywords, you have to select the campaign. For example, I select this campaign, and here I've added jobs, PDF, download, free, these kind of some demo keywords, and hit save button. So it will be saved in this particular campaign, these negative keywords. The list has been created. As you can see, by default it is on broad match. If I want to change, I can do that as well. Now if you want to add keywords directly from campaign, you can do that as well. You just have to go to campaigns. Here's the campaign. Select the campaign in which you want to add the keywords, negative keywords, right? Then go to keywords, negative keywords, and here you can do that as well. But I have already added the keywords from there. That's why these all negative keywords are showing here. Otherwise you can click on the plus icon and the same option will be open here. So that's how you can add negative keywords into your campaign. I hope you understood how to add negative keywords into your campaign, and I hope you like the video. And if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. And if there's still any confusion regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. And we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.